Welcome back, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me again. Okay, so I told you we were going to play a fun game called Alphabet Mystery Box. So I have it here with me. I'm going to teach you how to play, okay? Here is my Alphabet Mystery Box. And inside this box, it is filled with lots of different objects, okay? So I'm going to reach in, pull out an object, and then you guys have to tell me what sound that object begins with, okay? So let's get started. Ooh, what is this? This is a hose. So a hose is used to water the flowers, wash the car. Hose. What is the first sound you hear in hose? H, that's right. Great job. Okay, let's try another one. What is this? A kite. Yes, kites are great for flying on windy days. What is the first sound you hear in kite? K, good job. What is this? That's right, it is a bicycle. I bet lots of you have bicycles at your homes. What is the first sound you hear in bicycle? B, 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 B. Very good. Sun. I love bright sunny days. What is the first sound you hear in the word sun? S. Good job. Right? Oh, this is a cookie. Miss Kepley loves cookies, and I bet lots of you do too. What is the first sound you hear in cookie? C. Very good. Right? This is a van. What sound do you hear in the word van? V. V. Very good. Right? This is a goat. What is the first sound in goat? G, g, g. G, that's right. Next we have octopus. Let's think about the first sound we hear in the word octopus. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, awesome job. Right? Ooh, can you see what this is? An alligator. The first sound in alligator is ah, ah, ah. A. Good job. Oh, here we have a zebra. The first sound in zebra is Z. And another one. Ooh, I want you to try to do this one by yourself, okay? Take a look. Think about what this is. It lives in the ocean or ponds, lakes, streams. All right, it is a fish. You are right. Now I want you to tell someone in your house what is the first sound you hear in the word fish. I hear you. Great job. Awesome. F. F is the first sound in the word fish. A few more left. Oh, I love watermelon. What is the first sound in watermelon? W, w, W. Very good. All right. This one's a little tricky. This is called a xylophone. And the first sound in xylophone is X. Okay, and we know X makes the sound X. And in the word xylophone, we don't hear that sound, do we? Being sneaky. The first sound in xylophone is X. This is a radio, the radio where we can listen to music. What is the first sound in radio? R. Good job, R. Right? Next we have an umbrella. When do we use umbrellas? That's right, on rainy days. It keeps us from getting wet. What is the first sound in umbrella? Uh, uh, uh. Yes, just like our Letterland friend up the umbrella, U. All right. Oh, this is a yummy dessert. Pie. What is the first sound in pie? P. Right. This is a type of car. This is a Jeep. The first sound in Jeep is J, 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 J. Very good. Let me get this untangled. We'll do these two together. All right. What is this? Do you know what this is? This is a duck. The first sound in duck is D, 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 D. Very good. And then here I have a yo-yo. Yo-yos are fun toys. What is the first sound you hear in yo-yo? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y. Yes, just like yellow yo-yo man. Here I have an igloo. I. Nest. In. Bug. Bee. Egg. E, e. Mailbox. M. Turtle. T. And our last one is quarter. Qu. Q. Great job. I hope you guys enjoyed playing Alphabet Mystery Box with me. You guys did an awesome job. Be sure to be practicing your letter sounds at home. See you again soon. Bye.